So these days for my workouts, I'm following this app called Body by Bloggy Lattes. Not sure if you can see it, but today I have to do a 57-minute workout, starting off with a 10-minute anti-bloat cardio. हेलो नमस्ते दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब? इट्स अ न्यू डे, इट्स अ न्यू व्लॉग. आज एक्चुअली सैटरडे है एंड आपको यूजुअली ये व्लॉग एक दिन लेट देखने को मिलते हैं, तो यू विल गेट टू सी दिस ऑन अ संडे. बट क्योंकि आज मेरे ऑफिस की छुट्टी है, सो आई वॉज सिटिंग एंड प्लानिंग कि मुझे कैसे कैसे पैकिंग करनी शुरू करनी है. अब जो घर फाइनलाइज हो गया है वो बिल्कुल ही खाली है, तो उसके लिए थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग भी करनी पड़ेगी. जैसे कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें खरीदनी है यार, इतना तो मैं सोचा भी नहीं था. गैस स्टोव खरीदनी पड़ेगी, माइक्रोवेव, फ्रिज, वाटर प्यूरिफायर, ये बेसिक चीज़ें भी उस घर में नहीं है. सो आई वॉज जस्ट वंडरिंग कि इट्स गेटिंग अ लिटिल टू रियल फॉर मी सडनली, बिकॉज जब मैंने ये घर लिया था, फाइनल किया था, आई न्यू कि यहाँ पे सब कुछ है. यहाँ पे फ्रिज है, माइक्रोवेव है, एसीज लगे हुए हैं, यहाँ तक कि बेड, मैट्रेस, सब कुछ था यहाँ पे. तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि एटलीस्ट इट्स नॉट एज बिग अ लीप ऑफ फेथ, बिकॉज इफ समथिंग डज नॉट गो राइट और इफ आई मिस होम टू मच, आई कैन जस्ट वाइंड अप एंड गेट बैक. बट नाउ दैट आई एम डूइंग दिस, इट फील्स लाइक रियल अडल्टिंग, बिकॉज आई विल बी गेटिंग अ फ्रिज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन माई लाइफ. देयर इज लिटरली नो गोइंग बैक फ्रॉम दिस. बट मैंने प्लानिंग करनी तो शुरू कर ही दी है. जैसे कि मैंने ये पूरा घर का ब्लूप्रिंट बनाया है मेरे करेंटली, एंड आई एम प्लानिंग कि किस दिन पे क्या करना है, लाइक विच रूम डू आई वांट टू स्टार्ट वाइंडिंग अप. एंड देन आई हैव ऑल्सो क्रिएटेड अ टू डू लिस्ट फॉर माई सेल्फ. जैसे कि मुझे खुद से पैकिंग करनी है, तो आई हैव टू गेट बॉक्सेस. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डू टुडे इज गेट बॉक्सेस. Hey Srishti, how are you? I need to start packing, and you told me the other day that you have some boxes available. Yeah, you have a contact of somebody who can give me boxes. Acha, but you're not using them right now. Say it right now. What did you just say, Srishti?
I'm enjoying your daily vlogs so much.
Yay! By the way, guys, that's Srishti Tehri.
Hi.
You may know her from Instagram. She's a travel content creator. I will link her in the description box below. But she also lives in Gurgaon, and look at her. Nice person, has bought a lot of boxes.
For packing.
For packing. How nice of you. Thank you so much.
That's why I was saying ये नहीं आएगा छुट्टी का.
हाँ, करेक्ट नहीं आता. मुश्किल से ही आया.
Hello. हाँ. MC खराब है.
So Srishti, tell us something about yourself.
I wish you prepared me for this. Tell us.
Come on, you're a
something about
narrator.
yourself.
You speak so much on Instagram and share so many stories. I know you.
Oh, now you put me in the spot. So about myself, I was a traveler before COVID, and then when COVID hit, I had nothing much to do. So I went to the Banjara market one day, which is a market here in Gurgaon, and I saw that these people were not making any money at all because there was nobody shopping, there was nobody coming to an offline market and shopping. So I started Artisans of Banjara to get them online and sell their products and help them make a living during the pandemic. So that's what I do now. I mean, things have changed a little, but not as much.
Businesswoman in the house. So obviously, she'll only speak about business, but she's also a very cool content creator. You should check out her page. ये travel content अभी भी create करती है, ऐसी बात नहीं है. You put out a lot of Kashmir content, no?
I do love Kashmir a lot, and I've also been to places like Bangladesh and the Northeast.
Her video from Bangladesh is at 1 million views, by the way, on YouTube.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is. I mean, you don't really know what
Will work.
will work and what doesn't, and that just worked. And I made that video after a year of just contemplating, हाँ अभी करती हूँ, and it just happened, and it blew.
Okay, this was about her, but the best thing that I really like about her is that she's so genuinely sweet. अभी मैंने सुबह कॉल किया था पूछने के लिए कि मेरे को गुड़गांव में बॉक्सेस कहाँ से मिलेंगे, एंड बिकॉज शी हैड स्पेयर बॉक्सेस, शी प्रैक्टिकली ड्रोव डाउन हर सेल्फ टू गिव द बॉक्सेस. हु डज दैट? मतलब आजकल के ज़माने में ऐसा कौन करता है, सृष्टि?
I live just here.
No.
And I wanted to meet you, and I'm here. That's all.
No, seriously, but I'm full of appreciation for her for doing this. And this is not the first time she does this. She's done this like a couple times in the past also.
But I'm really excited for your new house, and I can't wait to see you set it up. It sounds amazing. And even though I know you're attached to this house, or maybe not so much, Or maybe yeah, a lot.
Maybe a little bit, yeah.
a little. But I think the new house is gonna be amazing.
Yeah, I mean, new beginnings, they're always exciting, no? So Srishti just left a while back और मैं kitchen में आई कुछ ढूंढने के लिए खाने के लिए and there was Szechuan sauce left over here from some leftover I don't know taken food order delivery and Szechuan sauce मैं अपनी उंगली से खा रही थी and then मैंने गलती से उसी उंगली से अपनी आँख को touch कर दिया and now it is watery. Basically, I wanted to have the Szechuan with the Rajma Chawal that I'm eating today. So there is Rajma Chawal for lunch. मैंने बहुत ही थोड़े से चावल लिए अभी, but I'm pretty sure I will end up finishing all of this chawal also because I really, really, really love Rajma Chawal. And add some Szechuan sauce to it and also add some dahi to it as an accompaniment. It becomes the best meal ever. This is like my favorite weekend meal ever. Let's have a lunch and then we'll decide what to do with the rest of the day. I do have to edit videos. Like I have to edit yesterday's video for the vlog and then I have to edit Kerala video for the main channel. So definitely मेरे पास रोज काम होता है. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता that I'm free on any given day. So I do have work. I think tomorrow on Sunday I'll take some time off and go outside as well. But today most of the day is going to be spent indoors and I also have to start packing and I can't get over how spicy my eye feels right now. Oh, by the way, before I turn on the TV, let me tell you of something interesting while I eat my lunch. So you guys just met Srishti, right? And I made her acquaintance through Instagram mostly. अभी भी मेरी आँखें थोड़ी सी spicy हो रही है. And interestingly, a year back, you know, when I met Ishan, she had kind of a big role to play in it, even though she was just an acquaintance at that point of time. So I'll probably not reveal the entire story of how that happened right away. I want to keep it for someday later. But yeah, she did have a huge role in how we met. So after lunch, now I'm all showered up or looking nice and neat and clean in new fresh clothes. Although my hair is looking like crap right now. I haven't fixed it or I don't know, it's a Saturday. Don't even feel like fixing my hair today. But in any case, I have just some editing work to do for the rest of the day. So I'll probably just get to work now and that's not really as exciting as part of a vlog. Isliye I'll close this video right here and maybe from next weekend onwards, unless I'm doing something really fun, I'll probably just post weekday vlogs because they're generally more fun and involve more people. But you be the judge of that and let me know in the comment section below. For now, I am going to close this video right here and hope this vlog reaches you soon. Bye bye guys, I'll see you tomorrow.